Thanks, Spielberg. Hello, and welcome back to the tasting room. Timothy Van Riper,
Stephen Gandolfi.
and we're going to go over our new bags this week. Our bright, refreshing springtime bags.
Wear your masks, people.
Yeah, wear your masks, please.
We're rolling out some more bags this week, as we have been doing. Some of them are retiring. We're going to keep on some of the ones. Beers with Bashir will still be around. The Conundrum bags will still be around. But we're adding a rosé bag this week. I'm going to point out one of these. This is one that I really like. This is a rosé of Sangiovese from Washington State. It's light. It's fruity. It's not sweet. It's got a slightly off-dry characteristic just from the amount of berry that comes across in it. But it's got a nice acidity, and it's a great just like either noshing in the afternoon with a snack kind of wine, or for those days that you want something with maybe you want something with your grapefruit in the morning. I don't know. Try that. Next, we've got a cocktail. We've got a few different cocktail bags, but this one's called the Queen Bee. This uses local make and muddle. Honey and lavender elixir. It's a little sort of simple syrup that they've made. It's got some lemon juice, some botanical grapefruit rosé, or grapefruit and... Is it rosé? It can't be. No, grapefruit and rose.
Grapefruit and rose. I mean, minus a character.
Sure. Yeah. No accent. Grapefruit and rose is part of the new Botanical series from Ketel 1. You're blending that with a little bit of lemon juice, some Vernay Brut. These are all going to be very bright, refreshing, springtimey kind of cocktails. Similar vein, we've got this guy, another local character. The history of lovers distilled gin with rose, hibiscus, strawberry, and honey from our friends down at Copper and Kings. That with a little bit of raspberry liqueur and some Vernay rosé. There's rosés and roses this week. So
I just had a chance to try this a couple months ago with Jen Buck from Copper Kings. It is bright and clean and
what's up, Jen Buck?
Hey Jen,
are you watching this? Should be. I know you're not doing anything else.
But yeah, this is actually a really nice spin on a gin. It's
spin on a gin.
Spin on a gin.
Next, we've got the Rockette.
The Rockette. It's a nice little, nice porch pounder. You got a little cucumber. It's a cucumber vodka, I believe.
Yeah, cucumber vodka.
Cucumber vodka. A mint.
We call those bitters.
Bitters. Thank you. I was thinking tincture in my head. I mean,
it is essentially
the same thing. It's like a mint simple syrup, mint bitters, a little lemon juice, and our favorite Kentucky ice. This is one of those, social distancing on your porch, and
talking to somebody else on their porch,
and knock a couple of these back. You're gonna have a real nice afternoon. And then moving on to our favorite margarita. I think 3 or 4 of us are bonkers about this Hello Margarita mix. But better, let's not say better. Let's say higher quality margarita mix.
If you're not going to go through the trouble of squeezing your own citrus,
sure.
This is a step up from any of that kind of stuff that sort of looks like somebody just broke a highlighter and put it in a bottle. This is really classic stuff.
So yeah, once again, premium, flavor-wise, and then finally moving on to, I guess, our spin on a mint julep.
I think we have a couple different mint juleps, right? Did we get the? Oh no, it's Old Forester rye. I thought it was time for the Old Forester
mint julep.
It's not. It's not.
But yeah, essentially a liquid mint julep.
Yeah. I know we teased last week the Four Roses barrel. If you were one of the lucky people to come in the 25 minutes it was here, it's a great one. Thanks for everybody who came out. Sorry if anybody got caught up in our phone shutdown when we tried to do that. There are other barrels forthcoming. There always are. Keep your eyes open to possibilities. I feel like there was something else I wanted to tag, and I can't. That's my take 2. Anyway, Stephen Gandolfi.
It's been Van Rapper.
Stay safe, y'all.
Cheers.